Just great. How long do we gotta sit in this stink tank?
I hope you understand why I made you sign that.
I don't at all.
It's a non-disclosure agreement promising never to speak of my private life. Mystery and wonder are all part of Carla's brand. I'm Carla.
You mind if I open a window? I can't see very well. Or breathe.
I'd prefer if you didn't.
If you're worried about Wild trying to catch the lake monster wings, I wouldn't lose any sleep. There ain't no such thing.
Actually, I'm more worried about everyone hanging around the fire after eating all those beans.
Ooh, excuse me.
I'm going back to my camper to wash this mustard off. Night, Boog.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Oh, begging your pardon.
And you guys are on your own.